What are you thinking, Miss Redneck?
Well, we got 3 things today. And one big one is out in the garage on a pallet. So,
Out in the garage on a pallet?
Yeah.
What do you have out there?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's right. It came when you were gone.
I left this morning.
Yeah, actually you was backing out of the driveway while that semi-truck, and I said semi-truck because it came on semi-truck,
Yep.
pulled up. Yeah. What do you got there?
I got something.
What is that?
We'll see.
What in the world could it be?
Ooh, we got some looms.
What are they?
Looms.
They're wire looms?
Wire
Is that what it is?
Yes.
Oh, the fancy, the braided kind. The real nice stuff. Oh, wow. You're going all out on this thing.
And then
What are those?
some fittings.
Oh, those must be for all the
For
speaker
the wire.
terminals and the amp stuff. Wow,
Yes.
you ain't playing.
It's gonna
You
go
ain't
pretty
playing,
well.
are you?
No.
You ain't playing. Now what?
And then we got something else.
Oh, that's actually going to be an unbox, huh? Oh, is that what you got? Oh my God, you're going to be thumping.
I don't know what I'm in for, so we'll
yeah.
have to see.
Yeah, the stereo is kind of my thing, but
So,
I know you like to jam too, don't you?
not as much as you.
That's
but I do
right.
Jam.
You don't care about the boom boom.
I don't care about the boom.
You just care about it making all the neighbors mad for 10 miles. Now, let me see if I can help you.
There we go. We got it.
I've never seen one of these in person. I
Well,
just know that they're the creme de la creme.
Well, there's that part of it.
So we bought it, and it's expensive.
Oh, I bet
It
it
costs
is.
more than I wanted to pay for
There's
it.
a little bracket.
A little bracket, yeah, because it mounts.
There's a bracket on that
Yeah.
one too.
So this here, I'll let you get it out of the package, and
I'm gonna go like this.
you're gonna go. Okay, you go like that.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that! It's an 8-inch. Now we don't know.
That thing's heavy.
Is it heavy? Let me see.
It's very heavy.
It's not too bad. So we went with an 8-inch because you're not a boom boom fan.
No, I'm not.
But me, I like music, and I have to have all of the notes, right? And so this is a passive radiator. This speaker has a passive radiator in it. It's kind of sort of like a ported box, but they do it with a passive radiator instead of a port.
Huh.
And because they did it this way, this is weatherproof. So this is marine.
That's good.
They designed those for boats and Jeeps and side-by-sides. So they're kind of expensive because they are IP68.
Looks
Now,
nice.
with this kicker, you can mount it. You can mount it like this. It comes with stands. You can mount it up like this. It'll sit there. Or you can mount it like
Sideways.
this, sideways, or any way you want it. You're right. That's heavy, but it's going to go under the seat, I think.
Oh, okay.
I don't want
it's not
that.
Gonna hang.
It's not going to hang.
Okay,
No.
that's what I was
I think that's
about.
going to go under the seat. And if we need a little bit more boom, what I'll do is I'll either upgrade it to a 10 or a 12 or just buy another one. So 2 8s are the same as like having a 15, pretty much. So,
Okay.
but I think it'll be plenty for you. I think it's going to be plenty of bass. It's not going to be crazy, but it's going to sound good. It's going to sound loud. Now, can you read them the specs on the box?
It says TV subwoofer system, 600 watt max.
So it's 300 watt RMS, 600 watt max. It's a 2 ohm dual voice coil. So it's got 4 ohm coils in it, wired to 2 ohm. We are going to rewire it, maybe. I don't know. Haven't made up my mind because I want the most power that I can get out of that amp to it. And the only way to do that is to rewire that to 2 4 ohm coils instead of letting it be dual 2 ohm. So I'm going to have to add terminals here somewhere, or maybe just sneak a wire out and kind of seal it up. I don't know yet. I don't know.
You know what you're doing with this stereo.
I know exactly what I'm doing, how to wire it, and we will be doing video. Are you going to help me with it?
I can try. I don't know anything
Wiring
about
up the speakers.
it.
It's a good way to learn. They all said they want to see you on the build, and they're all trying to get you to get a YouTube channel. I told her if she makes these videos, because these videos were kind of her idea, If she makes these videos, puts them on her Facebook, I'll put them for her on her YouTube and deal with her YouTube. She won't have to deal with it. What do you think?
I don't know. We can try it.
You want to try it? And if it doesn't go anywhere, we just not worry about it.
Okay.
But I have a feeling you're going to get huge. You have a lot of fans. She doesn't think that she has fans, guys. She doesn't. I don't know. You need to tell her in the comments because I see them all the time. You know? Just like Ronnie. He doesn't think he's got fans either. What else you didn't you say you had something we had to go out and show
Yeah, we gotta
them?
go out in the garage.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's something big out there.
Yeah. Let's go because you haven't seen them yet.
Wow.
What are those?
It looks like we got some tires.
Got some tires?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Look how nice those look. Oh. Ooh, and they're heavy.
They're not light, that's for sure.
Ooh, look at those.
They're Vanquish tires.
They look nice. Those things are huge.
They're 30 by 10 by 14 Vanquish. They look good, don't they?
They do. They're huge.
And they're dot rated. So street legal. Because, yeah, this puppy's going to see the street, too.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
Those are nice.
You like those tires, or should we send them back and get something else? Huh?
No, they're nice. They're just huge.
They are huge. You like them, huh?
Yeah.
Good deal. So, which you did kind of pick out, and the only reason why we bought these is because a friend of ours, Gary, had got them, and I liked them. I showed them to you, and what did you say?
I said, I don't care if you like them, let's get them.
Yep. So we got them. We got quite a few things going on here, but all right, guys, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and
Keep watching.
see you on the video.
We'll see ya.
That's right.